Recently we were invited to a concert by some friends. It's an outdoor venue, low back chairs, so we ordered this wagon off of Amazon so that we could carry all our chairs, all our food supplies. The beautiful part about this wagon is it comes with this nice little table here where you can set your food up. But the main reason we bought this was not for the table. It was mostly for the wagon, just to get back and forth from the car to the venue itself. It's super easy to take this stuff apart and put it together. They just snap in here real easy. Goes together, comes apart real easy. These just pull apart like a tent pole, if you're familiar with that. And everything goes back in this little bag that it comes in. It's a nice pad, fits right in the bottom. The handle just pops out. Inside this side pocket, I keep the bag that it all fits into. Makes it super convenient. You don't lose your bags. Reach down the middle, there's a little handle, pull up the middle, slide it together. Handle fits just like that, and you're stored. There's a little pocket on this side where your bed fits in, and that's it. I mean, all fits together. When you're ready to use this, pull it out, pull out your bedding, unzip, let's take out the handle, unzip the back, pull this off, just pull apart at the corners, push down the middle, and you're good. Unfold the bedding here. It gives it a nice firmer bottom. I really like this WhitSunday wagon. Because of big fat wheels, it makes getting across the lawn, gravel, any trips from the car to the venue itself, makes it super easy. I love the little hard bottom that it has in that folds up, locks away. I like the handle that isn't stationary. You can go up or down. It's got pockets all around the thing. Everywhere you look, there's another pocket. And there's one on the inside too for securing your phone or whatnot. It holds quite a bit of supplies, including your tabletop and your chairs. The pocket on the side, fold up the bag it came in, slides right in there, and you're ready to go. Tires, the wheels have a lock on them. Just press down, locks it into spot. Both the front tires are locking, so it can't roll out of control if you're parked on a little hill or something. Just touch the top, and those pop open, and you're ready to go again. It's great. I love it. Holds quite a bit of weight. Super happy with it.